Hello everyone! I have a lot of different stuff here on the table. First, I want to show you the shorts I'm sewing now. They are not ready yet. This summer is coming, so I need to get ready for it. The thing is that I don't have any top suitable for these shorts. The print is pretty complicated, so it's hard to combine it with something. Green doesn't look good, and so do pink and yellow. Anyway, it took me some time to do it, but I managed to find a suitable piece of fabric. This color kind of combines all the colors presented in the shorts. This is viscose. I think that it looks really good. The problem is that this fabric is pretty gauzy. Anyway, this is the only suitable fabric, so I had to find a way to work with it. Have a look at the sketch. This is how the top is going to look like. There will be wrapovers on the front and on the back. One detail will go under the other. The middle parts will be double. Both the front and the back will be doubled. I'm going to do it for the top not to be gauzy. Now I'll show you how to make a pattern for the top. Notice that there will be chest darts here. The openings will be made smaller due to the flare. The back will be pretty wide and flared too. I want this top to be comfortable, so I'm not going to make it too wide. This is going to be a sleeveless top. I hate sleeves in summer. Let's start drawing a pattern. I've already traced the front and the back from the basic pattern. These are the front and the back details of my basic pattern. First, I need to move the chest dart to the side seam. I'll change its opening later. I wanted to know that the first things we need to change in patterns are darts, necklines, and shoulders. It will be easier to work with shoulders now. I know that some people are afraid of big darts. Don't be. There's nothing you can do about your body. If you make a smaller dart, an item won't fit you that well. Next, I need to alter the shoulders. I want to cut about 5 cm of the back neckline. The width of the shoulders will be 6 cm. Next, I need to match the shoulders to make them even. I don't need this dart, so I'll just ignore it. I want to make the back neckline pretty deep. You can make it as deep as you want, and of any form you want. I don't want to make a sharp angle here, so I draw the line this way. When drawing the front neckline, do not forget to take the bust into consideration. Here it is. I'm going to start drawing a neckline here. I think that this is enough. I'll make a beautiful round neckline. I remind you that I'm making just the first layer of pattern now. I will have to make the second one because of the wrapover. I think that I haven't showed you how to make such wrapovers yet. The front shoulders match. Next, I need to make the back shoulders match. I'll cut it this way. I remind you that these parts can be cut. The same thing on the other side. It's good to be young and beautiful, so you can wear whatever you want. When you're not that young but still beautiful, you need to be careful with which parts of your body should be hidden. The necklines and the shoulders are ready. What should we do next? I have prepared a piece of tracing paper folded in half. Let's imagine that this is the center front. That means that I need to put the pattern here this way. The length of the item will be 70 centimeters. I'll show you what to do next. When the front is ready, I'll move on to the back. First, I need to sign the fold on the tracing paper. This is the center front. Match the centers very accurately. I mark the length of the item on the tracing paper, 70 centimeters. I need to pin the center front, and then I'll show you what to do next. I'll make the dart opening a bit smaller due to the flare. I've already told you that you don't have to think too much when making an item flared. Make a cut wherever you want. I'll open this cut for about 1.5 centimeters, and the dart opening becomes smaller. I'll make a couple of cuts more. Why can't I make just one cut with a big opening? In this case, there will be a fold on the detail. It won't look good. The flare should be even. I think that I'll also make a cut here. I'm not going to close the dart in the back. I'll just cut it. Have a look here. This is how the front will look like. I don't want to flare it too much. Notice that the bottom of the pattern is a bit round now, and so will be the bottom of the item. I know that it takes pretty long to make a pattern for such top, but it's not that complicated. You just need to be attentive. You can see that there is still the chest dart on the front, but its opening is much smaller now. The dart leg is a bit round now, but it shouldn't be. Make it straight. Let's draw the bottom. The basic pattern is 5 cm shorter than the item should be. Draw the bottom line this way. Now I'll cut this pattern, and then I'll make a pattern for a top with a wrap over out of it. The right and the left details are even, so I can cut them both at once. Let's start cutting. Do not forget to make a notch on the waistline. Next, I'll cut the neckline. Now I can detach the original pattern and unfold the new one. I'll cut the dot first. That's all for today. Next time, we'll continue working with this top. My name is Paukšte Irina. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel and write the comments. Thank you. Goodbye.